Hi, welcome to WP Chief. This is a very quick step-by-step tutorial on how to create a blog post on WordPress. First, go to Posts and click on Add New Post. Then add a title and add content using blocks by clicking on the plus button. The next steps are very blog-specific. First, if you want, add the post to a category. This will become more important when you get to more blog posts. Next, add a nice featured image to show with the post. Ideally, that image should be 1200 pixel wide and 630 pixel in height. Finally, add a brief summary of what is covered in the blog post. 1 to 2 sentences should be enough. When all is done, click Publish. Click on View Post to see your post in real life and you're done. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and check out our other videos.